Imagine waking up to sunlight streaming through bamboo outside your window, the gentle rustle of leaves blending with the distant call of a morning bird. The air is cool and fresh, carrying the subtle scent of tatami mats and green tea. You open your eyes and realize you're not just anywhere. You're in Japan, a place where every morning feels like stepping into a living painting. The air is crisp, the world is quiet, and you're in Japan, a place where ancient temples and futuristic cities exist side by side. Here, centuries-old shrines stand in the shadow of gleaming skyscrapers, and the hum of city life is balanced by pockets of serene tradition. Whether you're wandering the lantern-lit streets of Kyoto or gazing up at the neon skyline of Tokyo, you'll feel the harmony between old and new at every turn. You wander through a peaceful shrine, the gravel crunching softly beneath your feet as the scent of incense drifts through the air. Later, you sit at a tiny counter and watch a master sushi chef craft each piece with precision, delicate slices of fish that melt in your mouth, flavors that linger long after the last bite. Then, you board a bullet train, the Shinkansen, and watch as the landscape transforms. Mountains, rice paddies, and villages blur past your window, each scene more breathtaking than the last. Every moment is a sensory adventure, the deep, resonant clang of a temple bell echoing through the morning mist, the sizzle and aroma of takoyaki being cooked by a street vendor in Osaka, the awe-inspiring sight of Mount Fuji rising majestically above a mirror-like lake. Japan is a place where your senses are constantly awakened, where every day brings new tastes, sounds, and sights to discover. Japan invites you to slow down, notice the details, and connect with a culture both respectful and fascinating. You'll find beauty in the smallest things: a perfectly arranged flower, the graceful bow of a stranger, the quiet ritual of a tea ceremony. Here, mindfulness isn't just a practice, it's woven into daily life, encouraging you to be present and appreciate every moment. Here, every meal is an event, every train ride a scenic journey, and every walk a chance for discovery. Whether you're savoring a multi-course kaiseki dinner, gazing out at cherry blossoms from a train window, or simply strolling down a quiet street lined with lanterns, you'll find that Japan rewards curiosity and invites you to explore with all your senses. Maybe you've dreamed of coming here for years, or maybe Japan is a new addition to your bucket list. Either way, there's never been a better time to visit. Imagine the thrill of stepping off the plane, suitcase in hand, ready to experience a country that's both familiar and completely unlike anywhere you've ever been. 2025 could be the year you finally make it happen. This guide is your ticket to the best of Japan, from the electric energy of neon-lit Tokyo nights to the tranquil, snow-covered villages of Hokkaido. Whether you crave the buzz of the city or the peace of the countryside, you'll find inspiration and practical tips to help you plan your perfect trip. We'll cover everything you need to know: when to go for cherry blossoms or autumn leaves, how to navigate the trains and subways, where to find the coziest ryokans and the most mouth-watering street food. From bustling markets to tranquil gardens, you'll have all the tools to make your journey unforgettable. Think of me as your friend who's been there, who's wandered the back streets, tasted the ramen, and chatted with locals over cups of matcha. I'm here to share my favorite spots, insider tips, and a few stories to help you feel at home, even if it's your first time in Japan. Japan is waiting. Amazing people, incredible food, and memories you'll cherish forever. From the laughter of friends sharing street food to the quiet awe of standing before ancient temples, every experience here is a story waiting to be told. So, are you ready? Let's start planning your ultimate adventure in Japan and turn your travel dreams into reality. Japan is more than just Tokyo. It's a country of incredible variety, where every region tells its own story and offers a unique experience for travelers. Each of Japan's main islands has its own personality, culture, and natural wonders, making it important to think about what kind of adventure you want. Honshu is the vibrant heart of Japan, home to the electric energy of Tokyo, the timeless beauty of Kyoto's ancient temples and gardens, and the mouth-watering street food scene in Osaka. Here you'll find a blend of modern city life and deep-rooted tradition. If you're drawn to the great outdoors, Hokkaido is a dream come true. Its wild, untamed landscapes are perfect for adventurers, with powdery snow in winter that attracts skiers and snowboarders from around the world, and the city of Sapporo is famous for its rich, warming ramen and crisp local beer, a must-try after a day in the snow. In summer, Hokkaido transforms with vibrant flower fields, like the breathtaking lavender fields of Furano. Meanwhile, Kyushu in the south is known for its dramatic volcanic landscapes, soothing hot springs, and a subtropical climate that feels worlds away from the north. Kyushu's cities like lively Fukuoka offer a mix of modern attractions, delicious food, and a welcoming atmosphere that's perfect for first-time visitors. The historic port city of Nagasaki adds a layer of fascinating history and international influence, with beautiful harbor views and moving memorials. For those seeking a quieter, more spiritual journey, Shikoku is off the beaten path. It's famous for its 88-temple pilgrimage route and lush, green valleys that invite peaceful exploration. Okinawa, far to the south, is Japan's tropical paradise. Here, you'll find turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and a unique culture influenced by its Ryukyu heritage, perfect for those who want to relax and soak up the sun. Whether you crave the dazzling city lights, the challenge of mountain hikes, or the tranquility of an island resort, each region of Japan offers something special and unforgettable. So, choose your adventure. Immerse yourself in bustling cities, unwind in the tranquil countryside, or bask on sun-soaked beaches. The possibilities are endless. With such incredible diversity, Japan truly has a perfect spot for every traveler, no matter what kind of experience you're seeking. Cherry blossom season, late March to early April, is magical but crowded and pricey. For fewer crowds and great weather, visit in May after Golden Week, lush greenery, warm days, and lower prices. Autumn, late October to early December, brings fiery red and gold leaves, perfect for scenic walks and festivals. Winter, December to February, is ideal for skiing in Hokkaido, soaking in hot springs, and enjoying festive illuminations. Each season offers a unique experience, so pick what excites you most. Book ahead for peak times, and pack for changing weather. Japan's trains are fast, clean, and famously punctual. The Japan Rail Pass is your best friend. Unlimited rides on most trains, including the Shinkansen. Buy your pass before you arrive, exchange it at the airport, and you're set. For city travel, grab a rechargeable smart card like Suica or Pasmo. Just tap and go. Subway maps can look daunting, but English signage and apps like Google Maps make it easy. Don't hesitate to ask station staff for help. They're friendly and helpful. Getting around is part of the adventure, and you'll feel like a local in no time. Japan has a place for every traveler and budget. Hostels and capsule hotels are clean, safe, and perfect for solo adventurers. Business hotels offer private rooms and great value near train stations. Airbnbs give you space and a local vibe, ideal for families or groups. For a true cultural experience, stay in a ryokan, sleep on tatami mats, wear a yukata, and enjoy a multi-course kaiseki dinner. Many ryokans have onsen baths for ultimate relaxation. In Tokyo, stay near a Yamanote Line station. In Kyoto, try Gion or near Kyoto Station. In Osaka, Namba or Umeda are best. A well-located base makes exploring easy and fun. Japan is truly a food lover's dream where every meal is an adventure and delicious options await at every price point. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just love to eat, you'll find something to delight your taste buds around every corner. Even convenience stores, known as Konbini, are a revelation. They offer fresh, tasty snacks, onigiri rice balls, and beautifully arranged bento boxes for just a few dollars. It's the perfect quick meal or snack for travelers on the go, and the quality will surprise you. Ramen is a must-try, and each region has its own unique style. From the rich, hearty miso ramen of Sapporo in the north, to the creamy pork-based tonkotsu ramen of Fukuoka in the south, every bowl tells a story. Watching a ramen chef at work is an experience in itself. Sushi is everywhere, from high-end counters where chefs craft each piece with precision, to fun conveyor belt spots where you can sample a variety of flavors. There's nothing like tasting fresh sushi in Japan, whether you're a beginner or a connoisseur. Don't miss out on crispy tempura, thick and chewy udon noodles, or the earthy flavors of soba. Each dish is a celebration of simple ingredients and careful preparation. Be sure to try local specialties like Osaka's famous takoyaki, octopus balls cooked on a grill, and okonomiyaki, a savory pancake filled with your favorite ingredients. These street foods are fun to watch being made, and even more fun to eat. For a taste of home-style cooking, explore small shakudo, cozy diners serving set meals called teishoku. These meals usually come with rice, miso soup, pickles, and a main dish, offering a balanced and satisfying experience. Don't worry about the language barrier. Many menus have pictures or English translations, making it easy to order even if you don't speak Japanese. Pointing and smiling goes a long way. Learn a few simple phrases like sumimasen, excuse me, to get a server's attention. The staff are usually friendly and happy to help even if you're not fluent. Before you eat, say itadakimasu. It's a way to show gratitude for the meal and the people who prepared it. After finishing, say gochizo-sama deshita to thank your hosts or the chef. These small gestures are appreciated and add to the experience. Be adventurous. Every city and region has its own unique flavors and specialties. From bustling markets in Tokyo to quiet food stalls in Kyoto, there's always something new to try. This is a food journey you'll never forget. In Japan, every meal is a chance to discover something delicious, connect with local culture and create memories that will last a lifetime. Japan's magic is in the experiences. Soak in an onsen, outdoor hot springs with mountain or snowy views are pure bliss. Visit temples and shrines early for a peaceful spiritual atmosphere. Try a traditional tea ceremony for a taste of ancient artistry. Explore hidden gems, art islands like Naoshima, or fairy tale villages like Shirakawa-go. Wander back streets in Kyoto or Tokyo. Unexpected discoveries await. Sometimes, the best moments are unplanned. A quiet shrine, a friendly cat, or a local festival. Let curiosity guide you and create your own unique story. A little prep goes a long way. Most travelers can visit Japan visa-free for up to 90 days. Check the latest rules before you go. Japan is cash-friendly. Carry yen for small shops and restaurants, and use ATMs at 7-Eleven or post offices. Tell your bank you're traveling to avoid card issues. For internet, rent a pocket Wi-Fi or get a travel SIM. Pick up at the airport for easy access. Pack comfy shoes and layers. You'll walk a lot and weather can change. Tipping isn't expected, and quiet is the norm on public transport. Use the tray for payments, and a simple bow shows respect. 12. Now it's your turn to plan the adventure. Japan isn't one size fits all. Match your trip to your interests and pace. Foodies, history buffs, outdoor lovers, there's something for everyone. Choose your season. Cherry blossoms, autumn leaves, or winter snow. Don't cram too much in, savor each place. A classic 2-week trip. Tokyo's buzz, Kyoto's temples, day trips to Nara or Osaka. Add a ryokan stay or a visit to Hiroshima if you have time. Leave room for spontaneity. Some of the best moments are unplanned. Japan rewards curiosity and kindness. Start dreaming, start planning. Your story is waiting. The adventure of a lifetime is just a flight away. 13. As your journey through Japan comes to a close, remember, the world is full of wonders waiting for you to explore. Whether you're planning your next adventure or simply dreaming of distant shores, let curiosity be your guide. If you found inspiration, practical tips, or spark of wanderlust here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more immersive travel guides. Your next story starts with a single step. See you on the road.